This is a certified pre-owned 2011 Honda CR-V. This crossover has a 5-speed automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a multi-link rear suspension, traction control and stability control systems, a CD player, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning, a split folding rear seat, cruise control, and this vehicle has less than 46,000 miles. In addition to the innovative engineering and quality manufacturing that is part of every Honda, this certified Honda includes an exhaustive 150-point mechanical and appearance inspection, an additional 1 year or 12,000 miles of non-powertrain equipment warranty coverage on top of what's left of the original new car warranty, and 7 years or 100,000 miles of powertrain warranty coverage. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.